Let me see here. I'll tell you what I do. I'll bring I'll tell you what I do. I'm gonna put a, there we go. I'll do that just to show you. This is an area where the original selling took place at. Okay, we got filled in that first contract, and we should come down here and test this area here. Come on. Excuse me. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take out this trade here for a point and a quarter. So got filled there. I mentioned, I'll explain that to you guys again. I'm waiting for my trade before. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and today once again I'm live day trading the Emini S&P 500. This is my live recorded session of my trades, which I post on my channel each and every day. So let's go ahead and get started here. And what I like to do is first of all, thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for dropping likes on the videos, for the content. And as you guys already know, I have nothing to sell. I have nothing to sell here. All this is just me showing you my live day trading session and showing you my trades, discussing, explaining the areas of where I take my trades from. And basically, I'm just a price action trader, guys. I use a strategy of just simply taking trades to pullbacks, looking for failure, rejection, and taking those trade entries. That's all I do. This is my means of daily living or income to be able to provide for me and my family. So this is what I do every single day. And I've been doing this probably for for 9 years now, pretty much. But I learned to trade a while back, and it did take me some time. But and I'm sure plenty of you guys are probably either beginner or intermediate traders that are learning or wanting to learn or starting their venture and trading the markets, regardless of what market it is. But you know, my best tip, as I always say in all my videos, learn price action. Once you learn price action, guys, you can trade any particular market. Okay, so we're going to go back and look at yesterday's trading session. Okay, so yesterday's trading session, we can see that the market kind of just, well, we saw the last several days, the market just pushing lower, pulling back, pushing lower, pulling back. So what we did pretty much on the 12th and 13th was kind of just move sideways. We didn't, you know, make any new highs or make any new lows. So finally, overnight to the overnight session, we finally broke above, and looks of it, we broke. See this swing high right here, or swing high right here at 43.64. Broke above that, pushing higher, and pushed back into this pretty much is this big swing here to the downside. The price pushed down, pull back, and push lower. This major swing right here. Okay, so price is trying its hardest to push through and push higher. So we're going to have to break that swing high right there, 44.07. To want to push any higher, guys. That's pretty much what it boils down to be. Anybody knows anything about price action? So that's me looking at the market. Just look at the market structure to depict it and analyze on what needs to happen. Okay, and as always, what do I want to do is always mark levels to trade from. So let's look to see into the overnight session price. Let's see here. Yeah, price started breaking some levels to the upside. It started breaking levels, like levels within a level, pretty much. We had this major swing to the downside, right? And then within that swing, we have some, you know, swings to the downside here on this leg to the downside within that swing. So as price pivoted and turned around, like right here, price pushed up, pulled back. You know, it didn't break this low here, so it had to take out 43.65 to push higher. And when it did that into the overnight session, it started breaking these little swings to the upside here. Okay, so so yeah, let's take a look to see what could possibly happen here. We could actually get rejection in this area, and you know, because the market bounced down here. Okay, right here in this area right here, and I'm sure there's a level there. Yeah, right here. It's a level sitting right here. Okay, so price broke here, It pushed up, pulled back, pushed higher, and then pulled back to this level right here, okay? Um, then it pushed up, didn't make a lower low here, okay? So it came back to that level again. Again, there's a second opportunity there, right there at this level. So basically, this was another failure here or rejection, and price pushed up to test the highs of this little swing right here, which was right here at 43.65, okay? So you got to be able to see this stuff in your mind and understand the market structure and being able to read, which I call market analysis, being able to analyze what the market has done or what it's trying to do once you start seeing rejection and failure at levels, okay? So price could actually reject here, but we could push higher above the swing high here. We could definitely do so. But basically what happens here is price pushed down, pulled back on the way down, made a lower low, okay? Swung back up, all right, to test the swing area here, reject and failed. And when price came back down here, you know, basically this was where the banks, institutions, the big players in the market are basically coming down here to grab that liquidity. All right, when they grab the liquidity, clean that area there, collecting that money, they push the market back up. This is an area to, you know, to look for long position at, and it would have been a nice long back up to this high right here and possibly higher. You get me? All right, and possibly higher to test this area right here, because this is where this swing here was where all the initial selling took place right here. Okay, so what takes place? What takes place now? Well, price looks like it's trying to break this area here, the swing high right here, which is right here. Okay, and this is what makes trading so rewarding, guys. Is something you can do on your own. Something you can be your own boss at, something you can sit at your own home and make money day in and day out, and then go out and enjoy what you want to do. You don't have to do it all day long from 9 to 5, 8 to 6, 8 to 5, whatever that, whatever those hours are that you maybe were once working before. This allows you your personal financial freedom. It gives you freedom to do what you want to do, okay, by making a daily income or living doing so, as I do every single day. So, to me, this is the greatest reward in life, is being able to understand and take passion in something, love something that you actually are able to do and make money from right at your own home. So this is, to me, is the greatest reward in life, to be able to do this, make money, and then spend time with my family and enjoy other things that, the other treats in life. So that's important to me. All right, so let's look here. Let's kind of mark some levels if going and speaking. So let's see here. Let me look. Yeah, right here. Oops. This could be a level right here at 4,400 pretty much. That's a round number too, so be mindful of that. That's also a round number, so you kind of got some double confirmation there, or confluency there. So it gives you more confirmation right here at 4,400. So that'd be a good area to possibly for pullback entry. Price has now broke above and taken out the swing here, so definitely so. Let me also look. Yeah. Let me see. Blow this up a little more so I can make things a little clearer for me. Okay. So I said 4,400. Oh, definitely 4,400. Yeah. Okay. That's definitely a good area. Okay. All right. So level there, sitting right here, Okay. So price may pull back to that. Now we're testing the swings in this area here. This was where some more selling took place. You can see it. Selling started at the tops right here. Price push down, and excuse me. Right here, push down, pull back, and then push lower. So right here, where price on the pullbacks kind of tested this swing area up here. But so price can fail here. It can reject right up in this area here. So we'd be mindful of this area as well. Okay. So let's see what happens. Price is taking out tops here. Yeah, it can reject in this area here. The swing level right here. There's where selling took place. Okay. Initial selling, pull back, more selling, market push down, came back to retest this area again, more selling. So basically what this was right here, when price formed this swing to the downside right here and pulled back to that area, that was selling to more, so the more selling took place. Price pushed lower, returned back to it. So this was just like a push down, retracing back to it. This was where the market, the banks, the big players in the markets, they come back to get that area, that money sitting right there, that area of liquidity, and then they push the market lower. So that's what they do. And that's how it works, guys. You got to understand that, okay? All right. Okay, so let's see what happens here. So, like I said, prices. I mentioned we'll probably get some rejection in this area, right? So that's what price is doing. We are getting a bit of rejection in this area here, right up here at the top, so 44.10, which was, excuse me, guys, I have my printer going in the background. In this area right here, as I mentioned, and that is the upper portion of this high volume area as well. So right here in this swing area right here, 44.10 area, we're getting some rejection there. Now price can push higher, and as always, as I told you guys before, when price likes to move from one high volume area to another high volume area. We're in this low volume area now, so price can come up and test around the 45.15 area. Okay, so we have to be mindful of that as well. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. I was trying to copy something on my printer and it was going off. So let's see here. Okay. Okay. So we could get some rejection in this area here. Price can push through this area though, because like I said, we got low volume sitting here, so it could actually come up and test a little higher. So let's see. All right. But guys, I appreciate those you guys that have subscribed to the channel. As I mentioned, if this is your first time watching one of the videos, after watching this video here, I mean, go back and watch some of the other videos, guys. I post my live recording sessions of me trading the market every single day to my channel, and I just do so because maybe it's going to help somebody out, you know. And I discuss the market and explain things that I see, as well as explain my entries and why I took those entries pretty much. So that's pretty much what it is. Okay, so I mentioned down here 4,400, right? But price hasn't come down to that area yet, so we'll see. Okay, now this could be some rejection in this area right here. Or price can push higher, so here we go. Yeah, price is still trying to push higher. So as I mentioned before, let me see one thing, guys. Okay. All right, so price is pushed higher, broke a candle above. So it's not ready to completely fail yet. So we have to be careful, be mindful of the area, what price is doing, okay? So I mentioned that this low volume area here, price is probably going to want to come up here and test around the 44.15 area. Because it likes to travel from one high volume area and breaking through a low volume area to another high volume area. Okay, so price, like I said, it's that 40, when I say 44.15, price came out to 44.14, so it's a point away, a few ticks away, and we're in that swing level there. So, price is kind of rejecting that area right now, but let's see here. Yeah. We can take a quick little short here. I'll show you a few little ticks here. Let's see. Just taking a quick little Quick little bounce here. Quick little scalp. Price is in this this area right here. This is on the 60-minute chart you see right here. Let's take a look at it on the 12 range chart. Yeah. It's in this area right here, this little swing level here. So I'm just taking a quick little scalp here. This is on a little pullback. That's all it is, little pullback. A little pullback to that area where there's pretty much where the initial selling took place at, which was in this area right here. We can actually push lower than that, guys, but let me see here. I'll tell you what I do. I'll bring I'll tell you what I do. I'm gonna put a, there we go. I'll do that just to show you. This is an area where there was the original selling took place at. Okay, we got filled in the first contract, and we should come down here and test this area here. Come on. Excuse me. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take out this trade here for a point and a quarter. So got filled there. I mentioned, I'll explain that to you guys again. I'm waiting for my trade performance to pop up here. Today's the 14th of October. It's Thursday. So on that trade there, just a quick little 9 ticks. Okay. All right, we're just starting out. I haven't had too many opportunities because the market hasn't done too much since the open. It kind of moved sideways here and it pushed up. So this is a pullback. That was a little pullback entry there at resistance. Okay. So let me show you, because like I mentioned, this was an area right here where there was where selling took place, initial selling took place. Price push down, pull back, more selling took place, push down, pull back, more selling took place. So there's a lot of selling that took place right here. So when price did all this selling off right here, you know, selling off, it's coming back up here to test this area again here. All right. So, you know, I waited for the rejection and I took my entry. So that's what you do. What could it bounce at? Well, we do have small areas of support below us. And, you know, price could, where's it at? Yeah, 44.10. You know, it could bounce. We have this area here. Let me take a look. 44.10. Let's see. Okay, let's see if that's a, let me see one thing, guys. I'm trying to look and see if that's a level there. It possibly is. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely a level there. Okay, prices tested it. Okay. 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 All right. So yeah, there was a level there that price is bouncing off of. I see it. We'll take a quick little entry here. Just scalping. Price can't push a little lower. It could actually come down here to 4409 and a half, around that area there. But I'm scalping. Okay. It can come a little lower here. Okay, I'm gonna wait. There is a level here. Yeah, there's a level right here. Price can push us a little, could come a little lower and test around the 4409. Okay. All right. All right. I'm gonna get out this trade here, guys. Come on. There it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and take. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna take out this trade here because the market is okay. Wow. Should have took the target. I took the moved my last contract there when I had a chance to, but I mentioned price can come down a little lower, so I'll just it's a little hairy trade here, but I'll wait it out. Gonna test this area probably and then push back up. So we'll see what happens here. Should come back up. I'm gonna go ahead and get out this trade though. Market's not doing too much. Come on. Hmm. I know it's gonna come up and fill this order here. I'm going ahead and get out the trade, break even on this trade right here, and just wait. This market is not it's not doing too much. So I'm just gonna wait it out after I close this entry here or position. Some days are like this. Some days are like this. Come on. Go ahead, Phillips. I can break even and be done with this trade here. I know what it's trying to do here. There it goes. Okay. And it's probably going to push a little higher. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Come on. I'm going to scalp right quick. There we go. Scalp real quick. It's going to test this area right here and test a little higher right here. But this is testing this area right here. So just scalp right quick to kind of cover that little break-even trade that I took. So just up 17 ticks now. Had 9, up 17. Just scalping along, guys. That's all I'm doing. So we haven't got into any big trades yet. Anything that really paid off. Just kind of scalping for a few ticks here and there. Market's moving sideways at this swing area. What we see is right here where the initial selling took place. So yeah. Yeah. Huh. I think the market's definitely trying to push lower though. I'll be honest with you. But I want to see it break this area right here. Like break this area right here to the downside and then pull back. And I'll take a short entry. But I want to see it break that area. Let's see. Okay, it's trying to now. So I'm gonna take a trade on. I'll probably go short on it on a pullback to maybe, let's see, something like this. Let me see. Oh yeah. Nah, 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 nah. Okay. Oh, what did I do? Oh, oh, oh. Come on. Okay. Come on, get filled here. Take this out here. It's probably it can pull back now, guys, to around this area here. Okay, we just got filled on the entry there. I knew that I saw it breaking this level right here to the downside, and knew that I was going to possibly try to push lower. So, all right, I'm up 20. Let's see, we had 17 ticks. I'm up 25 ticks now. Show you guys that. All right, and the reason why I took that trade there, I'll tell you. Um, I showed you the area where there was initial selling at, right? Prior to, that selling came into play. We look back on the 7th, yeah, 7th of October, and prices is going back and retesting that area, okay? So I look for you, wait for the failure and the rejection, and that's what I did. And then I saw price pushing lower, trying to take out this swing level to the downside here. So basically on a pullback, I would be taking the entry to go long, but so far we haven't got the pullback. So I just joined the ride in a sense. But actually, you want to take a pullback like around this area right here. Okay, so we'll wait to see if price comes back to that area, and then from there, see if we can get in a trade. But I think if price breaks this level right here, it's going to push lower. First, what do we have? High volume area here, okay? And what did I tell you? Low volume area below it and a high volume area there. Okay, so it's probably going to try to travel from here to here, okay? So let's see what happens. So far, we have not gotten the pullback yet. And if we get the pullback to this area here, to the swing level, and I see the rejection, then I'll take the trade, okay? Or I will re-enter a trade to go short, I should say. Okay, so I'm talking about this area right here, guys. Right around here. So see, price is bouncing because there's a level right here. There's a level right here. I mentioned that at 44.08. So let's see what price is going to do right here. So price is formed a level right here, pushed up, pulled back to this area, which is a level. Okay, and I mean it could. Um, let's see. Yeah, it could be a little rejection right here. There could be a rejection right here. Price could reject this area and come back down, test this area here. We'll see. Short. Okay. Come on. Let's see what happens, guys. Come on. Ah. Okay. Let's see. Come on, baby. Come on. I mentioned that it was a level right here. Okay, that was the price pushed up, pulled back, and then pushed higher. So we're tracing back to this area. So be careful because price could push higher. But there was initial selling at the tops right here, where there's a swing level from the 7th of October. And price pushed lower, and so I'm taking a short entry on a pullback. Okay, we've come down one tick away from filling our order here. Hmm. Come on now. Okay, fill one contract. Go ahead and fill another contract there. Go ahead, hit it. Ah, don't do that. Come on. I know it's gonna fill it. Ah, okay. I don't like. I'm gonna go ahead and take what I can get here because I don't like this pulling back and forth like this. Okay. All right. It should come down to here to probably 44.09 or 44.09 and a quarter. Uh, we're like one tick away. So it was one tick away from hitting my 1 point profit target there. But either way, I got filled on the trade there. I kind of knew what it was going to do. So I'm up 35 ticks now. Okay. All right. Okay. There it goes. So you see that. There it goes. See, I told you it was going to come on down there. So, and it's possibly going. It could possibly try to push lower, but right now we're at a level, so it's going to have to clear that level to push lower if it tries to. All right, so we're up 35 ticks. Okay, and this was a pullback trade. Okay, so I told you right here the tops from October the 7th there was initial selling, right? Okay, so within that initial selling, when price pushed down, it started taking out these little micro swing levels. Okay, all right, and there was a level right here from today at the price form, which is right here. Okay, price pushed down and started breaking into this level and taking it out, trying to take it out. So, which was this swing to the downside, push down, pull back, and then push lower, trying to take out this swing right here, broke into it. On the pullback, you wait for the rejection. Again, when you're going short, what do? Wait for the M structure, and then you take it short. Okay, so that's what you do. All right. So, so I'm just market's moving sideways now. I'm just waiting. Okay. So you see it's bouncing here, right? Okay, so this it's like you can almost play this either way, but this you could actually take it along here because this right here, this was a level right here, and it's at the lower portion of the high volume area, right? Okay, so basically what I did, I was waiting for the pullback to go short from the top end of it, but you can also play from the bottom side or the long side of it. So this was the level right here. Price pushed up, pulled back to it. Price came up. So far it has not. Let's see. Yeah, I would have liked for it to take out this level to the ups. Sorry, to take this level here to the upside here out. So basically, what I would be looking for personally, me personally, on a long entry is for when price pull back to this level, which is right here. Okay, for it to push higher, start to break into this level right here to the downside right here. So it pulled back to the level, pushed up, pulled back, pushed up, and then pulled back to the level right here. Right. Okay, so it came back to the swing level right here. All right, so the pullback was right here at 44.08, which you can see here on the full range chart, right? This is where I'm looking for the rejection now. We didn't clearly get the W at the bottom right here, so it's kind of making the W this way by pushing up, pulling back, and then pushing higher. So technically speaking, you could actually, price pull back here. It's trying to break into this level right here, okay, when it pushed up. So what I would do basically is if I'm trying to go long, right, I'll wait for the pull back down to this level right here. Wait for the rejection. So price came to the level, okay, pushed up, pulled back. I'm taking the trade right here at the on the pullback right here. So when here's the level, okay, price pushes up, retraces to the level, right? All right. So what I'm doing now is boom, price is at the level. Step one, wait. Okay, then you wait for the rejection. Wait for price to reject, fail, and show you his hand. It pushes up. Then on the pullback to the level, basically on a second retest or a second test, that's where you want to take a trade right here. Okay. All right. So let's see what happens. Is the market going to try to push higher now, or what is it going to do? Okay. So what I'm looking for here is to see if price is going to break above and try to take out this. Let me show you this swing here, right here. Okay, so if price cannot take out this swing area here, I'm going to be probably looking for a short possibly, but we'll see if it fails at this area here where it's at. It could possibly push higher. So let me take a look here. So it's pushed up into this swing area from October the 7th. And it's having a hard time at resistance pushing higher, so we'll see. So this is just a retracement back to resistance, guys, back to this area where there's liquidity sitting at. And this is how the institutions and banks kind of fake you out. You know, they based on a pullback and retracement, they come back to collect that area that where there's money at. So we're at an area of supply, and then they could possibly, you know, uh, stop people out that were initially setting up this, putting orders to sell here, where all these sell orders were at, and all this initial selling took place. So they retrace it back, they push it, price comes back to that area, they collect that money and then push the market lower. So we'll see what happens here. I mean, they could actually break through this area here and push to the upside, but I like to see what this candle here is going to do. All right, so now price is rejecting that area, but we're at an area where there's a level at, and I'm pretty sure price is probably going to try to push higher here. And looking at things now, it does appear that way. So we are at an area where there's a level at, and I'm pretty sure, and looking at things, price is trying to push higher. It appears that way. Okay, let's take a look. I may be aggressive on this entry here and take a long. So let's see what happens here. I'm not 100%, but there's a level here. Yeah, I'm gonna take a trade. I'm going long, guys. Price can push a little lower. I know it can. It can come all the way down probably to 11, 44.11 area. So I'm probably super early on this trade here. But I'm pretty confident that price is going to push higher. Yeah, see the trade probably is going to be around here, this area right here. See it coming. Excuse me, you guys see price coming down. But a little early on the trade. 44.13. Let me take a look at something here. I'm looking at this area here from the 7th of October. Okay. So let's see. Now, yeah, I'm early on the trade. See how it hit it one tick away? Yeah. Definitely early on the trade. Come on. Okay. It hit my top profit target. Didn't feel it. You guys see that right there at 44.14 and 3/4. Maybe we'll get filled here now. Nope, bounced off of it again. Okay, there we go. Finally got filled there. I knew what price was doing looking at price action. There's a level sitting right here, okay? It's a level sitting right here that's taking out or trying to take out a swing from the from the 7th of October, which is right here. Okay, it's trying to take that swing out. All right here. Okay. It has not completely taken it out, but it's broken to it. Okay. So in doing so, this was on a pullback, pushed up, pushed. Here's the swing right here, pushed up, pull back, push higher, break into the swing from that swing I just showed you from October the 7th. Here's the pullback. You wait for the rejection. Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry, guys. Here's the swing. I've got a little confused there. This is the swing that took that started breaking into that swing from October the 7th. Right here, pushed up, pull back, pushed higher. Here's the pullback entry to the level right here, okay? Right here. So we wait for the rejection at that area, switch over to our 4 range. I was early on the trade, guys, because I know looking at price action, what the market's trying to do. To me, it looks like it's trying to push higher, continue pushing higher to take out that full area from right here, this whole area here, and retesting the highs up here at 44.22. So that's what I see possibly happening here. So, yeah, price could come back down here to the 13 area now, around this area here, and could get a little entry right here. This would be the second. This would be the retest right here. Price comes back down. So price is trying to come back down to that area we see, right? Okay, but I don't think I'll be taking an entry here because Um, it's just too close. I mean, it's not much room to take a trade right here. Okay, even on this little retest here. Okay, so hmm, yeah, I think the price is trying to push higher. It appears that way. I could be completely wrong, but I'm just looking at kind of analyzing things. But sometimes you're right, sometimes you're wrong. I just trade what I see and take my trades based upon price action, what the market's trying to do at the current time. And that's how I'm successful in my trades, guys. But as far as the pace of the market right now, I do not care for the pace of the market. It's kind of moving real slow. But right now, I have that last trade, um, as I explained to you. I have 43 ticks right now. Okay, so that's $537 for today's trade session. Right now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get into any other trades. I mean, I'm sure I can, but it's just the fact is the market, the pace of the market right now is not moving. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and close the video out here, guys, and that's gonna do it for today's session for the 14th of October. And I appreciate you guys for watching and following the channel. If you haven't subscribed, this is your first time watching one of my videos. I hope you find it informational. I hope you guys will drop me a like on the video. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. This is free information. And, I'm live. This is my live trading session of me recording and posting it to my channel here. So, price action trader, and I explain my trades, guys. I try to, I tell you what the levels I'm trading from, where I'm looking to happen. And my strategy is just basically price action, just a pullback on price action. I'll wait for price to pull back to a level. I'll wait for the rejection, and then pretty much on the second test or that W formation or structure, I take a trade. So that's pretty much it. There's no, I had nothing to hide. There's nothing hitting there, So I thank you guys for watching the video, and stay tuned for the next one. I should be posting another one tomorrow, which will be the 15th of October. And that's going to do it, guys. Stay safe in the market for trading, and see you in the next one.